The lane was young. New pack, new stream. When are you gonna go rob pack is the real question. It's today, I swear. Did you try the genie pack? We're gonna try it today. Oi! Hold on. Give me the fish or a boat. Ah, fuck. Okay, that's a W. We'll take it, we'll take it, we'll take it, we'll take it. Oi! Come on! Do it. Do it. Why is it always the fucking can fridge when I get the gold on Benny? I swear I've only opened that one. This fucking PackDraw, man. This PackDraw pack bot. Give us some juice. 1K. 1K item right here on the left. Okay, I got some knee pads. Let's go. Gold on the left here. Yes! Come on! Let it be good. Let it be huge. Be the mushroom. Oh, that's also the worst one. But we'll take it. 1,000. What if I solo the Benny? Can I solo a Benny? The fridge? No shot! I hit the fridge again! But solo, that's good. Let's go. Oh, bro, that's all I could hit though. Alright, come on. Benny scam you? Nah. I'm feeling something here. Bro, the whole DDK squad pulled the 10K out of this already. Except for me. I pulled and my bot has pulled. We both pulled at the same time. Let me see that. 2 golds. 2 golds right here. Stay. Come on, 35K. 35K, please. Just 35K. Oh, okay, that's good. 1,200.
Okay.
All right. Benny here. Stay. All right, we'll take it. Nice. Okay. Good. In between the most expensive shit, but we'll take it. This bot is not pulling. No, I keep getting the same bot too. Bot 31, bruh. Who gives a shit? All right, we win. We got to run it back. Who got the boat? Not me. Haha. Damn, that was timing. God damn it. Please be the fridge. It is the fridge. Okay, come on. Doable. It's so doable.
Whatever.
Just gotta pull gold. Stay, stay, you fuck. Yes. Okay, come on. Be huge. Go up, go up. Okay, that's still 1,000, 1,200.
Yeah, but
okay. One more time. All right. W though. We'll take it. Nice. Yoink. That was a yoink. GG. Unless this is a boat for us on the left side here. GG. PackDraw, you won again. I think. Of course, theirs is better, bro. Give me the fucking boat, pussy. Give me the fucking boat. Yes, come on, 10K, 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 5K. Oh, okay. Okay, we'll take it. Fucking bitch. That's a cash out. Should I cash? I don't think I should. I don't think I should. Okay, if I win this, then I'll cash and give away. Why am I playing this? Please.
give us the boat, bitch.
Imagine. Yo, no. Oh, man. Give me a fucking fish. Let me pull it here. Let me pull it. I might take it slow real quick again. Yikes, you're mid. You're mid. You're mid. You're mid. One more time. Alright, we'll take it. I mean, I did win it. Ah, man. Do I have to listen to myself? I think that's good. We actually made some money today. Let's go. Thank God. Our luck has been insanely bad. The entire month. Just give us a gold here, please. I'll take the red. Alright. Well, I don't think this one's gonna pay. It's gonna be Gray City right here. Or they just pull golds. This is bullshit, bro. This is the best one, isn't it? No, the SMG is the best one. Okay, give me the fucking SMG 2K. Right now. Right now, we're fucking good. I don't know if that's more than this. It's slightly more, but we're losing still. Go up, go up, go up, go up. That's it though. Nice. Okay. Fuck. Holy shit. We finally hit the golds. Oh my god. Bro, where is my solo luck though? How many times have we... Ah, man. Stay? No. It doesn't slow down for us. It only speeds up. Speed up? Yup. What's that? 150. Okay, do it again. Back to back red. Oh, purple? The Oka, bruh. Stickers, please. I hate the $1, man. Gold! Nice! 300. Yup. There's the luck. That would have been nice. One more time, one more time. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. But if we lose this, I feel like we should just solo. Golds! Stays. Okay, we'll take one. Come on. Give me the SMG. I think that's good. I think that one's good. 400. Oh my god. Nice. Okay. Yup. It's due. This one's so due. Nice. I'm waiting. Pop up, baby. Pop up right here. Stay. Stay. No way. That stayed. Nah, bro. Nah, that fucking stayed. Let me guess. That's gonna... Okay, no. All right. W. It's hot. How much is that? 500. Oh my god. This is kind of cracked. The rusty pack. The rusty pack is juicing. Oh, okay. Come on. Oh, wait, is that good? I don't know. It looks bad. 300. No, it's good. That's nice. Hey, maybe solo. Fuck it. I solo a gold again. Come on, give me this. Alien relic. Oh, golds. Nice. Oh, we're crazy. 400. Yo, this pack is cracked. What the fuck? Juice it up. Give us the gold. Early gold. Yup. Yup. Dude, this pack is hot. This pack is so hot. Okay. What is that? 280? I think that's the lowest one. 300. Okay. All right. It's still back to back. Dude. Okay. Back to back, though. Hold on. Nice. Nice. Yo, back to back to back to back. 3 in a row. Oh, give the red. Nice. This pack is juicing us. Holy shit. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. This fucking pack is hot. Ooh, that looks cool. 300. Okay, we'll take it. I'm telling you. It's sick. This pack. You hate him. Oh.
That guy.
Oh my god. Wait, hold on. Hold on. This might hit. Please let us fucking win. Come on.
Ooh.
Let me hit this shit. Yes.
What was this?
Oh my god, Ryan. I said 50%, right? Oh my god, 800. Come on, someone pull, please. 3%. 3%. Nice. Oh, come on. 35k. Oh my god, you're a Kramer. Thank you for the sub. The gifted of 5. All right. 1%. We hit the 1%er. Come on, someone hit a 0.001%er. Oh, come on. Wait, hold on. Please. 1%er again. Come on.
A harpoon above it.
Full of fucking tuna. Oh my god, give me fish. Please. Give me fish. Give me a boat. Fuck a fish. Give us a boat. If you pull the boat, can I have a McChicken? Yes, I got you, bro. Let's just try this. Let's do some experimentation. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's such a good start. That's such a good fucking start. Come on. Oh my god.
Hey,
Oh my god, please.
get the skull mask. Tree door, metal tree door.
Oh my god, that's 500, right? That's 500. 600.
100. Nice.
Oh my god, maybe we're cracked. It's crazy. Fuck me. Yo. That's huge. That's points. Hey. Okay. Boats. Go up. That's 1200. Ah, that's the Royce to win. 500. I mean, one more. Me. Why does it stay for them, not me? Stay. That stays. No one doesn't. Come on. This feels different. No. Oi! Never mind. It stays. Okay. What is this? 300. Okay. More. All right. That's a great start. That's a great fucking start. Please. Please. Oh my god. Okay. All right. Good. Yup. That's scary. I thought I was gonna pull the fucking gold there. I just need them to hit this. I just need to win this. I just need to win this fucking coin flip. Okay, please. Come on. Let me fucking hit this shit. Yes! Whew. Okay. Okay, bitch. All right, hear me out. Hear me out. Okay, hear me fucking out. I think I'm due. I low-key think I'm gonna pull. Just watch. All right, if they're all vouchers after this, it's kind of GG. Yeah, GG. This is gonna be a shit battle. It's a script. It's a fucking script. I know these scripts. Fucking voucher battles, bro. It's so obvious. So fucking obvious. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait. Boats, 35K. No. Fuck.
God.
I saw
Fuck.
that stayed. I was like, nah.
Oh my
I thought it was
god.
over. Yeah, I did. I thought it was GG's.
Bro. No. Why you gotta bait me like that? You fucking pussy, bro. You're such a pussy bitch. Watch it be the 35K too. My bot, bro. My bot. He's just throwing it. Yeah, we cashed out 1,300. All right. Actually juicing us today. It's crazy. That's actually insane. Oh my god. Buddy bad host. Well, chat, I would say today's a fucking W because we actually profited 1,000. We actually made money today. $1,000 bucks. I'll take it. I love you, chat. Peace. See you guys in a day.